Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tech. Today, we're diving into the world of streaming with the Elgato Facecam, hailed as the best Elgato for mobile streaming on the market. If you're serious about your streaming setup, you know that having a reliable webcam is essential. But not all webcams are created equal. Enter the Elgato Facecam, a game changer in the world of content creation. Let's talk specs. The Elgato Facecam boasts a pro-grade lens with a cutting-edge Sony Star VIS CMOS sensor. What does that mean for you? Unparalleled image quality, optimized for indoor use, and minimal noise even in challenging lighting conditions. But it's not just about the hardware. The Facecam comes packed with advanced features like DSLR style control, allowing you to fine-tune your settings for the perfect shot every time. And with its USB 3.0 interface, you can expect lightning-fast data transfer with minimal latency. Whether you're streaming on Twitch, hosting virtual meetings on Zoom, or collaborating with teammates on Microsoft Teams, the Elgato Facecam has you covered. And thanks to its compatibility with OBS and other popular streaming software, integrating it into your setup is a breeze. But perhaps the best part? The included software makes adjusting settings a breeze, and with onboard memory, you can save your preferences for seamless use across multiple devices. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best Elgato for mobile streaming, look no further than the Elgato Facecam. With its unmatched image quality, advanced features, and ease of use, it's a game changer for content creators everywhere. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest tech. Until next time, happy streaming.